I'm going to mark the invariant points first. So over here, I got a point -3, +1. So that's an invariant point. Over here, I got a point 3, 1. So this is typically what I do. I kind of go where y is 1. I just go across in either direction. But on the right, this one's interesting because this little line, every single y value on this little line from 3 to 5 is 1. So it's a whole bunch of invariant points. So that whole little line right to there is on the reciprocal. -1 now, I'm going to look where is y -1. Oh, right here is an invariant point, and here is another invariant point. So this point at 0, -2, I often call that a valley, or you can call it a minimum. It's like a lowest point. So here is 0, -2. The reciprocal of that is 0, -1/2, and it's just nice to have that point there. It makes it easy to go, oh, I got to connect these three, right? It's easy to kind of see like a dot to dot. Now I'm going to put in my vertical asymptotes. So there's one here at x equals 2. And there's another one at x equals -2. And now I can just sketch the rest of this in. I'm always going to start at invariant points, start at points that you know if you can. So if you have invariant points or maxes or mins, that's really where you want to start. So I'm going to start at this invariant point on the left. And as I look to the left, f of x is going up. So I know that my reciprocal is going to go down, and it's going to follow the asymptote, which is the x-axis. So the x-axis is always an asymptote. So I'm just going to go down and follow the x-axis. Then to the right of the invariant point, as I look, this is going down. So I'm going to go up as I go to the right and follow the asymptote. Now I'm going to come to this. I know these three connect, so I got that done. So I'm going to go to this invariant point at -1, -1. As I look to the left, it's going up, so the reciprocal is going to go down as it goes to the left and follow the asymptote. Same thing on the right. As at this point, 1, -1. As you look to the right, it's going up, so the reciprocal is going to go down, follow the asymptote. Try to make, when these are connected, try to make these so they're nice and smooth as a curve. Okay, not kind of bumpy or anything. Although after I say that, this one's probably going to be a little bumpy. So from this invariant point, as I look to the left, this is going down. So then my reciprocal goes up and follows the asymptote. There's nothing to the right of 5. Okay, this graph ends when it's an endpoint on f of x. It's going to be an endpoint on the reciprocal. You have to have something with coordinates. Like I know this point is 5, 1. The reciprocal of 5, 1 is 5, 1/1. I got something there, but there's nothing to the right of 5 to find the reciprocal of, so there is no reciprocal anywhere to the right of 5.